I found this really neat tool called Bootables. So what it actually generates a website in less than literally like 10 minutes. I know you hear a lot about this stuff. There's a lot of AI website builders, but this one is pretty intuitive because it actually literally spits out like what I want, and then also it makes changes. So here I got my own Airbnb site where my business is, where I actually could set up my properties so I book customers. Instead of them going directly to Airbnb, they go directly to me. So this particular site lets me do that. And I just tell the Bootables app to build out my Airbnb website, Airbnb-ish website, to where I have my own customers set up bookings, so that way they don't have to pay all these crazy Airbnb fees. So what I did, I went inside this particular site and tell it what I want, and it builds out the site in minutes. And there you go. My site is called Cozy Stay, and it has all my bookings. It has my pictures of my properties. It has my testimonials, which is pretty cool. This is awesome. So here I can make changes. I could literally like tell this website Bootables what I needed to do. And here, this is actually, they actually call it Flow. So I'm gonna tell Flow what to do. So say for instance, I want the contact form, my booking form, to be pink. So I actually typed in contact form, which I really meant booking form. It actually understood what I was saying, which is freaking crazy. Because if I go to like the other website builders, it takes like forever first to build a site. And then at the same time, it doesn't understand what you were already talking about. But here, it knows exactly what I'm talking about. And it seemed like it read my mind as far as what I was thinking. So I actually update my site. This Bootable site is updating it. And it's going to turn pink. And you can make so many revisions. It's freaking crazy. You can make revisions of layouts. You could change colors. You could add images. You could actually take styles from other sites and put it in here, which is freaking nuts. Awesome. Now I'm going to go live. It only takes 100 credits to go live, which is just $10 just to go live. And now, since my site is live, I can actually promote it. I could go to Market Fast. I could put this on social media, which is awesome. They actually have a thing called Echo Ads where I could create my own ad strategy and build my ads, my social media ads, so that way people know exactly where I'm at on social media and they could go directly to my site. And here, this is their campaign. And it's pretty simple. I basically just take the information from the site I just generated and create an ad strategy. And I could use that ad strategy and I could take it to Meta, TikTok, Google, YouTube to display my social media and my ads. But Bootables is awesome. You got to check it out. Sign up today.